Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn about exporting your payments as a CSV file using your Dakis Unified Commerce solution. One of the most powerful tools in mydakis is the ability to export your data as CSV files. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's essentially a way to pull your info out of the system and into a spreadsheet, giving you a custom report tailored to what you need. In mydakis, you can export data from 4 places: your hardware products, your orders, your customer profiles, and your payments. The payments export feature in your mydakis account lets you pull your transaction records into a spreadsheet, letting you track cash flow, generate financial reports, and share transaction data with your accountant. Let's take a look. If you've ever wanted a clean, custom financial report showing exactly what came in, what went out, and how it was paid, this is your feature. Before we dive in, to export CSV files, we need to be logged into our mydakis account as either a buyer, admin, or owner. Only these roles have access to the task history page where your compiled CSV files are downloaded. All right, let's take a look at how to export your payments to CSV. Here we are in the home page of our mydakis account. In the left-hand menu, we can see an icon of a shopping cart labeled Orders. Let's click that now. This will open up the Orders drop-down menu. Let's click the payment option from that list. This opens up the Payments page. At the top of the Payments page, we can see the search bar, and underneath that is the Filters selection panel, which has the label text, Show All Payments Where. The Payments page gives us 2 ways to narrow things down. First, there's that search bar, which you can use to quickly find specific records. It searches across multiple fields at once, including order ID, payment type, and store, making it a quick way to find something specific. To narrow your results down even further, we can use filters. Let's take a look. Payment status lets you filter by things like refunds, authorized payments that haven't been captured yet, errors, voids, and more. Payment method lets you filter by how a transaction was paid. The store filter lets you pull payments from a specific location. And finally, date range lets you select a start and end date to capture a precise reporting period. Once our payment list is ready, we can click the Export to CSV button to start the export process. We'll be redirected to the task history page where a status indicator will show you that your export is in progress. Once it's done, a success notice will appear, and we can just click the download button to save your file to the computer. So to recap, exporting your payments is a quick 4-step process. First, navigate to the Payments page, then use the search bar or filters to capture exactly the transactions you need. Next, click Export to CSV, and finally, download your completed file from the task history page. That's all there is to it. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.